Very good morning traders. Now you can see the live trading. So Bank Nifty and Nifty I have added the chart. The time is 10:42 now. You can see it is recorded in a live market. So now in Bank Nifty and Nifty buy got activated. Okay. Now if you want you can buy 45,600 call option or 45,700 call option, or you can sell 45,600 put option or 45,500 put option. So here also same, for 19,700 call option activated or 19,750 800 call option you can buy. Similarly, if you are a seller you can sell 19,700 put option or 19,600 put option. So let us see what will happen. So even I don't know, nobody knows in the market whether market will go up or not, but as per our indicator buy got activated and we are waiting for the target. Suppose if SL hit, what to do? Then we have to go for a reversal entry from the sell point. So here it is clearly mentioned, this is the second sell at 45,543 in a Bank Nifty, and in Nifty it is 19,694 on a closing basis. So even 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute closing also we can consider. So wait for this and let us see what is happening. So in Nifty we are in already profit of 10 points. So in Bank Nifty also we are in profit of 10 points and we are waiting for the target. So let us hope for the best. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best.